Okay, let's continue chapter 4. The last part of this section 7. So, about clan society with the crucifixion of Jesus, the Jewish nation had fallen to Satan's side. Consequently, God broke up that society, calling the both believers out, albeit to establish Christian clan society. Despite severe persecution, Christian clan society gradually prospered in the Roman Empire and developed into a Christian tribal society. Christian society expanded greatly as Christianity was brought for the Germanic peoples who, who migrated into the territory in the latter half of the 4th century. About feudalistic society was born in Europe with when around the fall of the Roman Empire. Imperial authority waned and the empire sank into chaos. God raised a feudalistic society among the newly Christian Germanic peoples whom he had chosen to lead the providence by strengthening small units under godly sovereignty in the spheres of religious, political, and economic life. God laid the groundwork to establish a godly kingdom. About the monarchic society and imperialism in the sphere of religion. Monarchic society was spiritual kingdom under papacy. So 9C to 16C. So in the political sphere, absolute monarchies flourished from the 17th century until the French Revolution. So in the progress of economic history, feudalism was followed by capitalism, which was accompanied by the age of colonial expansion. So about democracy and socialism, God began a process that would eventually tear down monarchic societies and raise up democracies in their place in order to rebuild sovereign nation fit to receive the Messiah. So the progress of history in the religious sphere moved to the stage of democratic Christianity after the Protestant Reformation of 1517. So in the political sphere, the democratic movements which rose in the late 18th century gave rise to revolution in England, America, and France, giving birth to today's democratic societies. So with the progress of the economic history, socialist ideals arose which undermined imperialism and fostered a democratic form of economy. About the ideals of interdependence, mutual prosperity, and university shared values versus communist. So in seeking for a socialistic society on heaven's side, people's original mind has drawn them to the ideals of interdependence, mutual prosperity, and shared values. The world in which these ideals will finally be realized is none other than the kingdom of heaven and earth under the leadership of the returning Christ. So, since Satan mimics God's providence in advance, the satanic side has advocated scientific socialism, based on the theories of dialectical and historical materialism, and has built the communist world. So, for the paths of religion, politics, and economy to converge and realize God's ideal, a new expression of truth must emerge which can completely integrate religion and science. So, the religion founded upon the truth will lead all humanity to become one God with God in heart. Such people will build an economy in accordance with the divine ideal, providing the foundation for a new political order to realize the ideal of creation. This will be the Messianic kingdom built on the principles of interdependence, mutual prosperity, and universal shared values. Okay, everybody, this is all for about the chapter 4. Bye, everyone.